There are two regions that I believe will strongly take over the world when it comes to food. One is Mysore and the other is Coorg. And Mysore has so many different delicious dishes, but unfortunately a lot of them are deep fried. Well, not anymore, because deep fried doesn't mean oil anymore. So welcome to Southern Flavors of Healthy Recipes, where we create the same taste minus the fuss, minus the oil. So let's get straight into the making of the Mysore Bonda. Normally, Bonda as we know it is made with potatoes or yams. The beauty of Mysore Bonda that I find really interesting is that it's made with yogurt that is hung for a while. And now to the hung curd, we add semolina or rava. Mix it up. Now we add asafoetida, hing. You know, that's one aspect of food from the south that I really love. The sharpness that comes from hing, especially when you're cooking vegetarian food, is an unparalleled ingredient. Lots of green chilies. Now some chopped onion. Chopped onion is key here because it adds that crunch and freshness to the bonda. And now we have some cashew nuts. You could also use groundnuts or peanuts. My memories of this dish are from a hotel in Mysore where I had this for breakfast the first time. And since then I've not forgotten this amazing taste. This amazingly rich bonda, it might seem is really heavy because of the yogurt, but it's actually very light, and we're making it even lighter without oil. There it goes. Now we chop some curry leaves up, add them to the mix. North, south, east, west. If there's one ingredient that's captured the heart of every Indian, it has to be the curry leaf. Now to the mixture, we add a little bit of refined flour or maida, parboiled rice flour, a little bit of jeera, a little bit of salt. Towards the end, we will add a little bit of baking soda. Now let's roll this out into balls. Before that, the most important part, preheating the Philips air fryer. So now, let's make small bondas. Now, it's time to put it in the Philips air fryer. Here we are. This goes into the air fryer for 5 to 6 minutes till lightly golden brown. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to recreate a plating that you have sent on healthyrecipe.co.in. The plating is sent by Pooja. I'm going to recreate the plating exactly for you because there's something traditional about it that I really like. Here the bondas are ready. Now let's give it the Pooja touch. Just a little more color. You know what? I could have this for breakfast every day. I mean, the slight sourness of the yogurt with the spike of the chili and the freshness that the curry leaf is bringing to the table, unimaginably good. South is so rich with flavors. Let me give you a tip on how to get wealthy. Well, they say health is wealth, and to get healthy, all you have to do is go to healthyrecipes.co.in. I'm waiting right there with more recipes, minus the guilt, plus the taste. For now, gotta go. Take care.